Namaste. Today I would like to share some of the experiences we have in managing macular degenerations, especially those which are not possible with surgery or any other means in the conventional medicine of today. Ayurveda have successfully treated hundreds of cases on macular degeneration, whether wet or dry, macular hole, macular edema, central serous retinopathy, and such macular related eye diseases, even at the age of 80, 85, with mild, moderate and good success rate on the aspect of seeing better in the visual chart. Usually in a severe case, the vision drops down to identifying objects just in a 1 meter or 2 meter. In mild cases, maybe seeing chart in 6 meters, about 1 or 2 lines. Moderate cases, seeing chart in a distance of 3 meters, 1 to 2 lines. In all cases, Ayurvedic therapy is for about 8 days, 10 days, which includes majorly the Vasti, Yoga Vasti, which is similar to a procedure, enema. So the procedure wise only it is similar. All other aspects are entirely different in a Vasti, and the benefits out of Vasti is something tremendous, especially in cases like degenerative nature in macular degenerations. So AMD or ARMD or other CSR, macular hole, other things, these therapies along with Tarpana, Nasya, Kashaya Dhara, and of course with other oral Ayurvedic medications do a lot in improving otherwise not curable or not showing any improvement in modern medicine in a short time. Even a cases of 60 to even 100 injections in the eyes for so many years together had been showing improvement in vision after just one course of Ayurvedic therapy. So I would definitely advise those patients who suffer from degenerative eye diseases to try out this safe method of Ayurvedic therapies, which are non-invasive, without any side effects, and safer to perform. Even the treatments can be done from age of 4 if the child is cooperating to the procedures. Mostly they cooperate by age of 4. And it can be carried out to the age till the patient is healthy enough to attend the clinics and attend the therapies. Thank you so much.